Monster questions, what are they about? Ask the monsters a question and you can find out. Who, what, where, when, why, and how. Ask the monsters any question, please ask them right now. Ask about a person, or place, or time, or thing. You can ask them any questions and you can find out many things. Today we're going to talk about the where monster. Here he is. Where questions, what are they about? Ask the where monster a question and you can find out. Where can be a place you can be, under a table or up in a tree. Ask the where monster a question. Ask him, where is he? Where do you play? In the park. Where do you eat? In the dining room. Where do you sleep? In a bed. Where do you read? On the couch. Ooh, I see a globe right here. Where are we on the globe? Where can be a place you can be, a location, like up in a tree. Ask the where monster a question. Ask him, where is he? Where is the boy hiding? Where is the girl climbing? These are great where questions. Where is the cat? Where are they shopping? Boys and girls, there are two ways you can practice asking where. You can buddy read, or you can interview your teacher. You have to pick one way to practice. Once you've picked the way you want to practice, scan the code. Have fun!